today here in the Udalguri the Wellness Center within the campus of Udalguri Stadium, a program of the USU demonstration under the aegis of Udalguri District USU Championship is being held under the guidance of Jacobus Motari, the president of Udalguri District USU, who is also the judge and the national coach of USU. And we have also participated here from Indigenous Peoples Welfare Organization of the Northeast, and we would like to thank Mr. Basmotari for organizing such a beautiful program for the upcoming generations. That is, he has been doing this job since some years ago, and he is continuing these programs. And today, here in Udalguri Stadium, this program is being held, and our honorable executive member of BTC, Prince Masahari, also came here and he inaugurated the program, and he delivered a valuable speech to encourage both the players, the participants and the guardians of the youths, and he encouraged to continue such sports for the wellness of health, and to keep to maintain fitness, physical fitness, to make our life more deserving to live in our lives. And here in the different players from Udalguri district from different places have come here and participated, and we also from Indigenous Peoples Welfare Organization would like to say that such programs should always be taken, and actually such sports, not only USU, different sports and games are actually needed, and this must be kept as a part of our life. So today we would like to request our upcoming generations not to stay away from such sports and games. We would like to request to participate in such programs.